The best of British theatre in a cinema near you. Proudly supported by Aviva. It's 1974 and Great Britain is in crisis. Miners' strikes have crippled the country. The ruling party is holding on by a thread. The British nation is at breaking point.
One party governs, one party opposes. We're not built for cooperation, Michael.
Our enemies, yeah, but they're slick and strong, and we're... Well, look at us.
This country is being kept alive on aspirin when what it needs is electric bloody shock therapy.
Heard you've cancelled an operation twice now, a big one.
Just turn on with me.
The lady is not happy.
Oh, God.
Let's turn on with me.
Try to act like honourable members of this house and not football hooligans.
Everything on my face hurts.
This house will be broadcast live on the 16th of May. For more information, visit ntlive.com.